Javo here for Baytown Hyundai, where you always pay the least on I-10 East. And I've got a deal for you. Everybody's been asking, when are we gonna get back in the truck business? We're back in the truck business. I was able to get 50 of them. I got XLTs, I got Lariats, I even got Platinums. I'm lifting some, I'm leaving the rest alone. Here's the best part. They're all 5.0 V8s. They all have the 302A package on the XLTs. That means you get heated seats, you get rear AC, you got step boards. The two-wheel drives have 20-inch blacked out rims. The four-wheel drives, same 5.0, same 302, they have 18-inch rims, fully loaded. Go to the website, Baytown Hyundai, look them up, call us, click us, come and see us before they're all gone.